Welcome to 2931 North Natoma. We're going to do a walkthrough of townhouse number 4. So we started at the front and we're going in the main level. And here we have a multi-purpose room, great for an office, play area, and directly adjacent is the 2-car garage with good storage. Let's go up to the first floor. So here we're entering the first floor. Big living room, nice fireplace. Very good size for entertaining. Really nice kitchen, granite counters, dishwasher, fridge, stove, microwave. And at the back here, we're going outside and we have a nice balcony. Pop out your barbecue and just relax with a cool one after work. Back in. Nice overview. And here we have the first of 2 full bathrooms. This one has a shower. And let's proceed upstairs to the top floor where the bedrooms are located. First door on the right is the front-loading washer dryer. And here we have the first of 2 bedrooms, double closets. His and hers, no fighting. Nice big windows. Ceiling fan. And directly across the hall between the 2 bedrooms is the full bath, tub and shower. And here we have bedroom number 2, which has another exit to a balcony. So that's 2931 North Natoma, unit number 4, 2-bed, 2-bath apartment, townhome. Give us a call at 773-961-7962. Visit our website at 5 Star Realty Services. Thanks, have a great day.